Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is an unboxing and review of the JF Eagle F60 jump starter. It can jump start a vehicle up to 80 times, and it can also be used to charge other electronics with a USB or USB-C type connection. I've included the product links for this in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get right into it. JF Eagle's been making portable jump starters for 17 years now and have a lot of experience. All the products are UL certified. I like that. And it's clearly labeled. That is nice. Let's see what it looks like. Directions on top. Got a little foam cover. Here it is. Wow, that is really cool looking. All right, and it's already 99% charged right out of the box. That is cool. Got a flashlight here. It's even got a strobe. SOS. We've got USB-C, USB-A, USB-C in, and DC 12-volt charging. It's pretty cool. And in the top here are jump starting cables and everything else. Okay, so the plug for the jump starter portion. Charging port looks like. Charging cables. 12-volt DC plug converter, so it goes to the round cigarette style lighter plug. So the really cool thing about this JF Eagle jump starter is it's not only a jump starter, but it is a portable power bank as well. You can charge your laptop, your iPad, other electronics, anything with a USB or USB-C connection. And it's capable of jump starting not only from a riding lawnmower all the way up to a 13-liter diesel engine. So basically anything you can get your hands on, this can jump start it with this tiny lithium battery here, and it's awesome portable case. This is going to be really handy to have for our 79 Bronco. Since it is an older vehicle, it can be a little unreliable with some power draws and stuff. So it's definitely something I'm going to keep in the Bronco when driving around town. Also, I plan on bringing these with me on any kind of hunting trips, camping trips, overland trips. It'd be nice just as a backup in case I do need to jump start the truck, but also so I can recharge my electronics at night, which will be really handy. Good idea to go ahead and read through this ahead of time. So the first thing you want to do is check and make sure you have enough charge for this. And it says 100% charge, 12 volt ready. Currently 0 watts of power being drawn on it because there's nothing being plugged into it. So now we know it is ready to plug in our jumper clips. So we'll go ahead and it says starter port, do not short circuit. So we'll go ahead and plug this in here, which is on the light side. Power is on now, showing blue. Positive and negative. Okay, just flipped on, it's showing green now. We hear clicking. That is good. Okay, so it shows it's at 51%, so it's already putting a ton of charge into the battery. That's what that clicking is. Now I'm going to go into the cab and jump start. All right, let's start it up. Wow, it started really quick. With this Bronco, you gotta throttle it, so let's let it sit for a second and try and reset here. It says not to attempt it more than 5 times in a row. I'm gonna check and see if the unit is still on. Reset this. can't throttle it and get it started. Okay, it's green and it's clicking on again. So I'll give this another try and I'll throttle it this time. All right, yeah. The JF60 is IP65 rated, so it is waterproof and water resistant and can withstand temperatures down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So this product is FCC compliant, and with the 65 watt fast portable charger, you can recharge this battery pack in an hour-and-a-half time so that it's ready to go on your next adventure. So as you can see, this JF Eagle F60 jump starter is very handy to have, whether in your vehicle or boat, as a fail-safe in case your battery dies or you need to recharge electronics. I plan to keep it with me in my '79 Bronco in case the vehicle dies somewhere, or I simply just need to recharge my phone or anything like that while on the road, since this older vehicle doesn't have any charging for newer electronics. I also plan to bring it with me on any overlanding and camping trips in case I become stranded somewhere. This is my fail-safe backup now, making sure I have it charged before each adventure I go on. And what's amazing is after jump starting the vehicle twice, we're still at 64% charge. So plenty more charge left to jump start this vehicle if I don't have time to recharge it before its next use. So let's get into the pros and cons. We'll start with the pros. First pro is this is compact, lightweight, and very easy to use. I'm really happy with the portable carry case so that I can toss it in the back of the Bronco and not have to worry about it being exposed out in the elements. It also comes with all the attachments you need for jump starting, charging, and for plugging in and charging electronics. It's really cool that you're able to use it not only for jump starting, but also charging up other devices, and it has an included light with an SOS feature. This lithium battery can recharge in only 1.5 hours for quick, easy use before any trip or your next adventure. Okay, so now let's get into the cons. My only con is the price. At $300, it is pretty expensive, and there are some cheaper alternatives out there. But granted, those other options don't have as much power as this lithium battery, able to jumpstart up to 80 times. Many competitors are at least half of that. And they also don't incorporate the ability to charge other electronics and have a USB, USB-C ports, and DC charging as well, which we've used to plug in our inflator to blow up our air mattress while camping. Super handy and easy to use. That way I'm not having to plug it in the vehicle and then wedge it into our tent. I'm able to actually use our jump starter to blow it up inside of our tent.
That was awesome. Wow, and it's still at 96%.
Overall, I highly recommend the JF Eagle F60 portable jump starter for anyone that travels often or goes to remote areas, whether it be for hunting, camping, boating. If you're ever in a situation where you need to jump start yourself and no one is around, this is a great fail-safe backup, whether it be a classic vehicle, your overland rig, your boat, or even your daily driver. So the ability to have power backup for charging your phones and other electronics. In the event you can't jump start yourself, you still have a fail-safe battery that can charge your electronics to contact someone if you're in need of help. Thanks for watching my review video of the JF Eagle F60 Jump Starter. I've included the product link for it in the description below, so make sure to click on that and check it out. Also, I'm posting weekly videos, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow along. Thanks for watching.